As a Christian, my faith plays a huge role in everything that I do. As the Bible mentions in 2 Timothy 2, verse 5, an athlete is not crowned unless he competes according to the rules. First of all, this shows that God has nothing against sports or athletes. That there is nothing in the Bible that says we aren't allowed to participate in such activities. However, it does mention, like in this specific verse, how athletes must act as Christians. 2 Timothy 2, verse 5 teaches us to abide by the rules and not cheat, because we know that cheating and lying is a sin. Then we also have Proverbs 24, verses 17 and 18, which says, "Do not rejoice when your enemy falls, and let not your heart be glad when he stumbles, lest the Lord see it and be displeased and turn away his anger from him." This teaches us to overall be loving, kind, and compassionate human beings, but it very much relates to athletics. This teaches us to have good sportsmanship and to use that to honor God through our athletics. Christ wants nothing more for us than to do everything in his name and to make him proud. The goal of Christians is to be more godlike and to spread his love and his goodness among others. Sports is a perfect way to demonstrate that because it comes with so many temptations. These temptations include being arrogant, prideful, and greedy, which lies among the desire to win among the realm of sports. As humans, and most specifically as Christians, we never want to harm anyone in any way. But at the end of the day, humans are sinful, and not everyone in their life has Christ. And that means not everyone will have the same mentality as Christians do. And some people will want to cause havoc and chaos in order to create pain, in order to win. But we as Christians, we must always be loving and forgiving. And we must also build ourselves up to be strong. And we can do that through the use of this program. Thank you for taking the time to listen and consider my injury prevention program. I hope that together we can create a safer environment for our athletes and we can prevent any further injuries. Thank you.